To change the login password on your Mac, you'll first go to System Settings and then click Login Password. Here you can change your password and add a password hint if you'd like. If you're watching this because you forgot your Mac password, stop here. This method won't work, and you'll want to use recovery mode instead. To use recovery mode, you'll shut down your Mac and then press and hold the power button until you see Loading Startup Options on your screen. On older Intel Macs, you'll shut down and then restart while holding down Command and R on your keyboard. Once you get into recovery mode, there's a handful of steps you'll need to follow, and Apple actually has a great video walking you through that. I'll link it below in the description if you need it. There's also a few other things to keep in mind when changing your password. Your login password is also what unlocks your disk if you're using File Vault. Your keychain might still use the old password, and if you're using Touch ID, that's always separate from your password. And that's how you change your password. Drop me a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.